What's going on, everyone? Stefan from firealarm.com here. As always, firealarm.com is here to give you the latest on all that is fire and life safety. Today, I have a very special guest who knows all of the ins and outs of fire alarm devices. Let's learn about the anatomy of a smoke detector today with Professor Stans. Well, hello there. I'm sure you've learned a lot about the different types of fire alarm devices with Stefan. Although, I think he talks about dinosaurs too much sometimes. Anyway, let's open up a common photoelectric smoke detector, the Edwards EST Sigma PD, and take a look inside. Most, if not all, smoke detectors are enclosed by a plastic casing. Take note of the alarm indicator LED that is also present on all detectors, which indicates the state the detector is in. If you remove the plastic casing, you'll see the detection chamber cover, as well as some of the circuit board level components. Within the board lies the control unit, or processing unit, that is basically the brain of the detector. After taking off the detection chamber cover, we see the most important part of the detector, the actual detection chamber. For the latest smoke detector, utilizing photoelectric technology, this chamber has a small light source that, when obstructed by smoke particles, dirt, or dust, activates a photocell which sends an electrical current through the detector to the processing unit, which subsequently sets the detector into an alarm condition. Older ionization type detectors function similarly, but within the detection chamber, instead of a light source, lies a small amount of radioactive material that, when excited by smoke particles, disables a constantly flowing electrical current, which subsequently sets the detector into an alarm condition. As stated in previous videos, it's incredibly important to keep your detectors maintained and clean, according to code requirements, regularly, so that these detection chambers remain clear of debris and are able to function properly during a fire. Also, note that the detector head is useless without a proper smoke detector base. The base is where the primary contact and connection from the head to the rest of your fire alarm system is made. Although seemingly simple, the human engineering behind the technology of a smoke detector is a marvel and saves lives every day. That's all I have for you for today. Ta-ta for now. Thanks, Professor. FireAlarm.com has numerous services that can make sure your fire alarm system is running at full capacity and tip-top shape. Make sure you contact us and get the best in fire and life safety today. You can find every single smoke detector and base on the market right now on firealarm.com for unbeatable prices. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.